Hello everyone, today I want to share with you mind functions. Whenever you will think today I have to do, then mind will say don't do this time, this is not perfect time. So you know what we have to do? We have to go against mind. That thing we have to definitely do. Suppose that we wanted to learn this language, it took why long time because that time mind was thinking, yeah, it is not perfect time to learn. We have to next time, next time. I gave lots of time in thinking. So now in this time able to speak. Why? Because I went according to my mind against. This time I'm able to speak because I am giving every day 7 8 hours, someday 10 hours. So why? Because I'm giving time. Mind was not thinking that mind are saying that you don't give time, but we have to go mind across that we can do anything in life. If anybody wants to do different in life, then we have to go across to your mind. Means we have to that thing mind will not do, you don't do, you have to do that thing. Today like that we have to speak English, you have to practice English, then you have to practice, you do practice, then you are able to do anything in life. So this thing I am applying in my life, so I am getting benefit. Before time, if I ask trying to make video in English, so then what things happen with me? Then what only few line I was able and I was forgetting. Then I thought that no, I have to give lots of time, I have to speak much more. Then in this time able to speak because of my mind. I am doing all thing against my mind, that's why I'm able to speak. This time mind I think you don't make video, you are not able to speak, but I'm thinking yes, I'm able to speak. Mind will give you disturbance, will disturb you, but don't think about mind. If you think about mind, then you will not do anything in your life. So you have to go according to your soul, what is saying. That listen your soul, inner voice, that through you can improve, you can do any work, anything in your life. So listen your soul, whatever in inner feeling. Mind is always, mind is always will be your enemy, he will not give right direction. But you have to feel your inner part, your soul. Soul is the best source of learning and knowing anything. So you have to go through according your soul, what is your inner is your saying, means your soul is saying. You have tried to listen your soul. Soul has lots of knowledge, power, energy, but minds are keeping you busy in here their work. So don't listen your mind, listen your soul. What is the soul? I will tell you. Soul is the power, energy. There are lots of energy, lots of things are available. If you do meditation, if you concentrate, then you can inner voice. You have to go according to your soul, then you can do in your life anything. Okay, I will meet you another video. I will share you another thing. Bye. Till now, bye.